Hi friends, we are so happy that you are with us today, and we will talk how to change your username and the name for your Instagram account. So let's go to the watching. At the very beginning I need to open my Instagram. So when we are on the profile page, we need to tap on the edit profile button, which is located on the center of the screen. And later we have two needful options here, like name and username. So after clicking on the first one, you need to remember that you definitely can choose any text you want, absolutely set any name you need. For example, I want to use some emoji here. This one is an example, and let's tap on the done to save these changes. Okay, I'm so sorry. I did it before. As you can check, really it's also very important that you cannot change your name more than 2 times during 14 days. As you can check, I did it before, but and right now I cannot change my name. As you can check again, I will press on the done and have some alert that I can change my name right now. Okay, so but you are able to do it if you want change your name before. I will tap on the arrow here because I want to go back to the main settings, and let's set another username. But after pressing on the done button at the top, when you are on this section on the name, your changes will be absolutely successful saved. Remember about it, but as you can check, I cannot do it right now. So let's manage our username after picking on the banner on the panel opposite it. So remember that your username needs to be unrepeatable and unique. So if I will add some changes, as an example 1, 2, 3, let's check if I can do this, because maybe Instagram has some user with this name too. So let's check it, because I need to have, as I said before, to have my username unrepeatable. Let's tap on the done, and voila, everything is successfully saved, because my username is only my own, it's unique. So let's press done again to save the whole changes here, and I will refresh my profile page to see this difference. If you don't have this difference right now, let's go to the settings again to check the result. Yes, we have everything saved, but sometimes Instagram works with some troubles. It's not a problem, because we can turn off our application and go to it again. Let's go to the profile page, and well done, we have our new username saved. And as you can check, everything is controlled absolutely without any troubles and problems. Remember that after these 14 days I can also correct my name after going to the same settings here and tapping on the name button. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and needful. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out later even more cool, fun tricks. Goodbye!